guys, it's Missy Mills here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I am going to put up my makeup desk together to assemble it, and it's literally my first time, so I don't think if I'm gonna be explaining throughout the video, as I have never assembled anything from Ikea, especially drawers, desks and stuff like that. I think the only thing I've assembled was this simple computer desk, and that one was proper straightforward. But in this one, I have no idea. But I'm just gonna be recording and showing you how I'm gonna be doing this. But as I say, to explain, I don't know guys, as I'll be going through the menu. I don't know if it's called a menu, whatever. Do you know that little book comes in with any item you purchase to assemble and stuff? That's what I'm gonna be following. And yeah, then I'll show you the final outcome, right? Okay guys, so let's get into this video. Bye. Okay guys, so I am showing you the things which I got from Ikea for my makeup desk. Oh sorry, you can see my feet here. Okay, wearing my black socks. But anywho, this is what I got. This is lemon table, which I'm going to put on top of the Alex drawers, and I got 2 of Alex drawers here. These are the ones which I'm going to find difficult to put them together, but it's okay. You know, we learn from there. As I said, I'm going to be following the book which comes in the, you know, in the items, whatever. I said I don't know the name, if it's menu or whatever. Can you comment down below the name of it? And this is a mirror which I got. I'm going to use this. I'm going to create Vanity mirror, Hollywood mirror with this. This one was only like £15, and I got these little bulbs here, which I'm gonna create for the bulbs, for the lights. And this is, I don't know what it is called, but anyway, this little thing here, that's when I'll put like the bulbs in here, and then I'll put the bulbs next to the mirror to create the Hollywood mirror. But I think you get what I'm trying to say. But anyway, never mind guys. But yeah, maybe you get like the concept what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's all about it guys. So I'm gonna try to show you how I am going to put everything together. And I have this drawer as well. This is a float drawer, floating whatever, floating drawer, floating desk, floating desk, something like that. So I literally got this off Facebook, and I like it. It's still quite new, to be fair. It's from Ikea as well, but I got this from Facebook. It was like £25, but in Ikea it's around like £40. So I'm going to put this on top of my desk, my lemon desk, when the setup is done, because I want some extra storage. So yeah, I'm going to use this as well. I'm going to put it on top. So that's all about it guys. So let's get into video, as I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to put everything together. I shall speak to you in a bit. Bye.
hours later.
Okay guys, one drawer done. It took me, I would say, 2 hours to just assemble one drawer. I'm telling you, this is crazy guys. It's so crazy because I didn't know where I was supposed to put the screws. There was loads of tons and tons of screws, and I was just going through the menu, you know, and see step by step. But I'm sure for the second one now, it's gonna take me maybe 30 minutes or 20 minutes because now I've done the first one, so I kind of know where to put the screws and stuff like that. But this is the final drawer. I'm so proud of myself and I really love it. So it has like two small drawers on top here, and then there is 3 big ones. So the smaller ones, the space, it doesn't have like much space. Maybe here is for you to put lipstick or lipsticks, whatever. I don't know, whatever you put, but yeah, there's a small space here. 2 of them same size, and then this is the third one. It's quite big. As you can see, there's quite storage in here. So 3 of them same size. So yeah, I'm quite impressed. I really like it. So yeah guys, let me finish the rest and I will show you the final results. Bye. Oh my god guys, I'm so exhausted. I am really exhausted now. I just finished a second drawer. The first one took me 1.5 hours to finish, and the second one took me around 45 minutes. So yeah, I'm quite impressed and I like my drawers. So now I'm going to put a desk on top, then voila, we're done. Okay, so stay tuned. As you can see, my desk is all up now. So I really love it. I like my desk. Can you all see? Perfect size for my little space here. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put a mirror. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, let's just keep doing this and until we finish, okay? Okay guys, I forgot to show you how it comes in a pack. So this is the one to put the bulbs, which I'm gonna create for a vanity, like vanity mirror, something. As I said, I don't even know the name of it, you know. But on Ikea box, it's written music, something like that. So it comes in this box, and obviously inside it comes with a little menu here which shows you how to put everything and stuff. So it comes like this. This is gold. I thought it was silver. I don't know how, but obviously on the box it shows that it's gold, but in my head I thought, oh, it's just a picture. I thought it was going to be silver, but anyway, I like it as well because gold is my other color. It's either silver or gold, you know, period. I like it. So there is a cable and there is a switch here. That's it. So, and this is the cover for the back. So like what I did on the other one, I had to put a little nail so I can hook it here. I can hang it, okay, on the walls. So you press it in. So like this, that's it, voila. So now I am going to put another nail that side so I can hang it. All right. Okay guys, so now I am going to put the bulbs, and I got these for £2 and there is 2 in a box. So I got 5 of them, so because each side of this little rail thing, whatever it's called, you need to put at least 5 bulbs. So yeah, that's why I got 10 of these. Okay guys, I finished putting the bulbs, so now we're gonna turn the bulbs on. Oh my god, I am super excited guys. You don't even understand. I really love how it turned out. Everything is just perfect going together. I love it. I really love this. So let's turn on the bulbs and then we can see our Vanity desk. Is that a Vanity? Whatever. Yeah, our Hollywood Vanity. Oh my guys, I'm just getting crazy here, but let me turn them on and we can see together the outcome. Okay guys, let me do it. Ooh, oh my god, yes. Can you all see this? I really love this guys. I'm going to show you now the outcome. I really love my Vanity. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Whew, I'm so impressed. I really love it. Okay, in case if you're wondering how much I got these rails to put, I don't know the name of it, I'm sorry, but this thing to put the bulbs, it was £19 each, and the bulbs, as I said, they were £2 a box, and it comes with 2. So I bought 5 boxes, so that was like £10. So whew, for everything, I'll just say £50 because it's 19.19. Okay, let's just put it as 20. So £20 each plus £10 of the bulbs, that's £50. And the mirror, it is the bathroom mirror. I actually got it for £15. So together that's £65, plus the Vanity, I got the one for £135. So £135 plus £65, and a small desk here. Can you see this floating desk? This one here, I got it off Facebook. It was actually for £25, but in Ikea it's £40. So basically it's around 200 something pounds, which I've spent for all this. But I really love it guys. I love the outcome and everything. So let me show you how it looks now. Guys, here is my Vanity. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It looks like this. I don't know if I'm gonna put, like, if I'll get another bulbs, you know, like to put here on top, but I don't think if I'll really put it. I think I like it the way it looks right now, because if I get another one, it's not going to cover the whole mirror there on top. That means I will have to get like 2 of them. I don't know if you know what I mean guys. For it to cover the whole length here, I'll have to get 2 rails of these. And my mirror right now, it's not safe the way I put it there, but it's okay for now. I'll get something to use to stick it on the wall instead. So yeah, that's the outcome guys. I really love these. Tell me what you all think. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, and don't worry, I'll sort out these cables which are coming out here. It's only for now that I wanted to show you guys how everything looks. Okay guys, I love the outcome of this Vanity. Oh my god, my Hollywood mirror Vanity desk, whatever it is called, but I love it guys. Tell me what you think about the outcome of this desk. I really love it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you really love it as I do. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.